Hi everyone, welcome to this character creation tutorial. Together we're gonna learn to create step by step a 3D stylized character. I will run you through my whole creation process. Let's get into it. Welcome everybody. I'm Guillaume. I'm a 3D character artist working at Elite 3D in Valencia. Graduated in graphic design, I worked for a year for the company Dirty Monitor in Belgium, where I participated on several VR projects. Then I've joined Elite 3D to work as a junior character artist. It has been almost 2 years that I'm working on AAA games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Crash Team Racing and others that I can't quote at the moment. I've always been passionate by stylized art, but more precisely character design. I'm consistently doing my best to improve my art outside of working hours. This tutorial is going to lead you from a simple primitive to a full character. From the blockout to the rendering, you are going to learn the whole creation process to create a stylized character. By doing it, you can expect to extend your knowledge and improve your skills in the stylized field. I thank you very much for choosing my tutorial, and I wish you a great time. Let's get started.